Imagine two black holes colliding near Earth, unleashing a burst of energy so powerful it could strip away our atmosphere and sterilize the entire planet. This is just one of the mind-blowing space events that you and I will never witness. But here's what the future holds for our universe. Here are 5 more space events you and I will miss out on seeing sometime, hopefully in the distant future. 2 black holes near the Earth should collide, releasing a gamma ray burst. If this burst is aimed at Earth, it will strip away our atmosphere, allowing deadly radiation to sterilize the Earth of all life. In the year 2227, Pluto's orbit will be closer to the Sun than Neptune's, changing the order of our solar system. Around the year 5000, Earth's magnetic field will completely flip, meaning those of you in America and Europe will now live in the southern hemisphere. Trillions of years from now, the first black dwarf stars will begin forming. These are white dwarfs that have cooled down so much over billions of years that they barely emit any more radiation. After this, something weird will happen. It is believed that given enough time, the building blocks of matter in our universe, the protons and neutrons, will decay, breaking apart into subatomic particles.